Okay, so today is Bastille Day in America. Okay, so today is Bastille Day, or what they call it in America, but it's really just the 14th of July here. And today there's a big, let's play right here. Today there's a big event going on at the Champs-Elysees. There's gonna be a big parade. I think it's gonna be like the jets flying over. It's gonna be a big thing. It's happening in like an hour, maybe even like 50 minutes. So I need to get down there as fast as I can. And then that lasts like 2 hours. And then after that, I'm going to a party down at the Eiffel Tower. That's going to be from like 2 o'clock to like midnight. So that's going to be a long party. Basically going to be all day. So that's my plan for today. And it's a picnic too. So you got to bring food. So I'm going to bring more bread because everyone loves bread. And supposed to be a lot of people, maybe like 75 to like 50 people are gonna be at this thing. It'll be really cool. But then other than that, I'm just gonna head down to the Champs-Elysees and I'm gonna go see something cool. And I don't know if I'm gonna get a good spot because I'm really late, but we'll see.
Ah, ça c'était les premiers. L'Américain pas ça. Elle est grande la femme de blanc là.
So it's really dark. Anyway, the whole thing's over. The whole parade that I woke up early for, and it really sucked. I think I got a really bad spot. I should have got here way earlier, but I got here like right when it started, and I was expecting to see President Emmanuel, but I didn't. So I'm really kind of salty about that. And all I got to see is the military parade and a few other things, but I wanted to see more. Maybe I had my hopes up a little bit too high, but I was expecting a lot more of that parade. And I freaking missed the jets to fly over and shoot the smoke of the flag, so that sucked. I don't even know what's happening anymore. I waited like 30 minutes to see Emmanuel and Trump, and it never showed up. So now I'm just gonna go get food because I'm pissed. So I really wanted to see at least one of them. Because, you know, I've never seen Trump in person before. I've never seen Emmanuel in person before. Now I'm just pissed I couldn't see either of them. What a lame morning. If you can see that, that's a tank. And they're just chilling here. And then on this avenue, down from the Champs-Elysees, there's just a full convoy and a full like troop or squad, whatever you want to call them. And they're all just chilling here. You can see him behind me. Like that tank. The tank. It's kind of cool. A little scary though. I've never seen a tank in person like that close. So I can pretty much touch it, so shit's crazy. Wait. There it goes. Look at it go.
To the environment, and I'm really looking forward to
Non, I'm gonna translate. Donc maintenant je traduis, c'est important que la France a pris le leadership en quelque sorte dans la lutte pour l'environnement et pour le sort de la planète avec les accords de Paris. Donc c'était important pour vous, Pamela Anderson, d'être avec nous ce soir pour célébrer.
I had to switch to my phone, but the show's over, and that fireworks show is crazy. And the lighting's really trash on this, but I have no more memory on my camera. My battery's out, so we're kind of stuck for this, but it's cool. Traffic's so bad right now. In these little tiny streets where like the mopeds are riding on the sidewalk now. It's kind of hilarious, but it's pretty cool.